guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a little, not even a haul, it's one thing. So I got these off Temu, and I got 3 of them because I was like, you never know, Temu could be gone next week for all we know. So I got 3. It's a local warehouse, and in order to get free shipping and not pay the $2.99, you had to place a certain amount with that specific store. So kind of like AliExpress, but not really. I got these things, and these could be used for dies, stamps, if you have smaller ones. Well, the size that I got is smaller, and this was the cheapest that I found with a flap that actually closes. I didn't want, you know, CD sleeves that just have this flap. I mean, you could technically add some type of maybe Velcro, but these are a thinner thing anyway. So I have my stamps in these styles, 2 different sizes, or 2 different heights, I should say. And then my dies I have in the thick vinyl pouches that smell like pool toys. These are super thick. I have had them for years. I have never had one like rip open or anything. So these are great quality. But I wanted something a little bit cheaper for something that's not as heavy duty. I found these guys on Temu, local warehouse delivery, not from China, and they got here in probably like a week, not even. So they're thick, they're exactly the same material, fogginess as the Hobby Lobby 12x12 like storage thingies. Has a little snap. I don't know how well these will last or if they'll pop open. There is no gusset. I can see that it's double layered and then probably like a heat, like fuse tool or something. But I want to store, I think it comes in a pack of 20 die cuts. Not embellishments, really. Nothing with like cabochons or anything on it. This right now, I just have stuff in like a bag. First, it was just thrown in a box. Now it's a bag. So these are all the new KS Craft like leftovers that I had. Not leftovers, but I was like trying to, like when I was die cutting, sometimes I only make, not sometimes, I always just make what I need for like the swap, the group, the whatever I'm making. So here's like the little banner dogs. Doggy banners, doggy balloon banners. Make extras, you know, so that you can just whip out something when it's a birthday, and hopefully it's the right colors for the collection you're going to use. So all these are a very generic, you know, rainbow color. And I did do pastel, like I didn't do reds or like dark blues or anything. But there's the balloon. Look at my little guys. But I want to store them something that they're not going to get folded over and smashed. Like this guy, I didn't even have the triangle out, the layering piece, so I could probably do the layering piece in the specific collection that I choose when the time comes for whichever. I mean, these guys are shakers, but I'm going to stick them in there anyway. Birthday related junk. And then I'm going to have to, I don't even know. I just bought these things on a whim. I didn't know where I was going to store them because I am wanting to do redo my craft room. So cute. So again, a little flap, little button, super cute. And there they are. And like this, these are like a St. Patty's Day style set that I did, layered die cuts for design team packaging stuff. But you guys could just do extras. And then I do still have die cuts, like flat die cuts, like just one piece. I have all my just flat die cuts that aren't really like laid up, no puffy tape or anything. Those are in, I'll post a video down below, like in a picture frame style binder, basically. I tend not to use them a lot, so maybe that's not a good storage solution for them. I should probably do something like this, but I have not got around to that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I just have this Dollar Tree bin thingy, and if you guys, let's see, get the measurements of this thing. So once it's folded over, it is 7 inches tall by 5 1/8 wide. So it's wider than the 5 inches it said it was by a hair, by 2 ticks on the ruler. So 5 and I think that's 1/8. All right. I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Have fun.